Pigs walk around, shaking around their bottoms. They don't really like to run because their legs are short. One of the characteristics of pigs are their long snouts and round flat noses. They also have plump bodies and curly tails. Pigs have a variety of hair color and appearances. The ancestors of pigs are the wild boars that live deep in the mountains. They evolved into the pigs of today as the people raised them. Wild boars have 4 very sharp fangs that are perfect for digging and slicing tough tree roots, which they enjoy eating. The sharp fangs also serve as powerful weapons in fights.
Hey, I smell acorns, one of my favorite snacks.
A pig flares its big nostrils as it searches for food. Pigs are able to smell things as well as dogs can. Their sense of smell is so keen that they can even smell things that are under the frozen ground. They also use their sense of smell to find their piglets.
Everything tastes so good.
Pigs spend most of their time eating while they are awake. Like humans, they are omnivorous and eat all kinds of food. They all have molars, canines, and incisors too. That is how they are able to chew just about anything.
Oh, I just can't stand this heat anymore. Ugh.
A pig wallows in a puddle of mud. It's trying to use the cool mud to cool off its hot body. Pigs don't have sweat glands, so they are very sensitive to heat. Rolling in mud also helps them get rid of the bugs on their bodies. Pigs sniff other pigs to pick out mates. Males also fight with each other over females. A female usually gives birth to about 10 piglets after mating. These are precious piglets that the female carried for about 4 months. Also, pigs give birth to piglets twice a year.
Get out of my way! This is my spot!
The piglets fight with each other over their mother's teats. This is because the teats in the front give more milk. But before long, each of the piglets chooses its own teat. Then they line up and suckle their mother's milk without fighting.
It's time to stop suckling the milk from our mother.
The piglets grow up suckling their mother's milk for about a month. After that, they start following their mother around looking for food. Piglets grow into adult pigs even before they are 1 year old. However, free-range piglets take close to 2 years to grow into adults. The Yorkshire pig is the most common breed of pig. Yorkshire pigs have white hair and pointy ears. Their skins are sensitive to sunlight and the cold. They also have big appetites and grow noticeably bigger each day. The Duroc is a breed of pig native to the United States of America. It is a mix between the Jersey Red Pig and the Duroc. So, it used to be called the Duroc Jersey. Most of the Durocs grow in hot and dry places. Their ears are small and droopy, so they look docile. Land races, which have white bodies like Yorkshire pigs, originate from Denmark. Today, they can be seen in many countries. Land races have longer bodies and stronger thighs than those of any other breed. The pole in China has white spots on its black body. Only its snout, 4 legs, and the tip of its tail are white. They look like they are wearing white boots because their legs are white. The pole in China is large, and its back is curved in the shape of a bow. A Hampshire has a white band around a black body. This white band extends along its shoulders and chest. The white band around its body makes it look as if it is wearing a white coat. Strong and active, Hampshires are experts at finding food. A spotted pig has spots all over its body, like a Dalmatian. It looks as if someone has spilled black paint on its white body. Spotted pigs have arched faces and wide nose tips. They are also docile and give birth to many piglets at a time. Berkshires are covered with black hairs all over their bodies. They have white patterns on their faces and the tips of their legs. They are very healthy and energetic. Therefore, they are able to survive anywhere. At one time, people used to raise lots of Berkshires in Korea.